Hello and welcome to the last video of my Vampire Queen costume. We have a guest here, Selina. And talking about Selina, I will not be using the witch costume photos in the intro of this video because this week I received the Catwoman ones and they look amazing. If you want to see them all, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I posted them there. And now let's go to the video. The vampire costume is finally completely done. I just taken some picture, hence the face. The dress. The dress is nice. I already mentioned it in the previous video. If I had to redo it again, I would change almost everything except the fabric. The embroidery. What I'm happy about is that now that I did it, I know what to not do next time. There are so many things that didn't work well. I realized that I don't like so much dresses where you have tons of fabric in the skirt. I don't know, it's too much sometimes, and I surprise myself because I'm the one who never say things like that, but sometimes too much is too much. And I prefer, for example, the dress of my witch costume, the flow is perfect. That dress, that pattern is beautiful. It's perfect. That vampire one, not as much. But anyway, the petticoat, a total failure. I completely gave up. I gave up. It was a bad idea. First, you should never do a petticoat after you do the dress. First you do the petticoat and then you do the dress to make sure that it fits perfectly. And here it didn't work either because there is so much fabric on the dress that you can't have it fully stretched out. I mean, if that makes sense. There is always one side that will push the other, so it looked weird. So I decided to give up. As for the other accessories, the necklace is perfect. It's the most beautiful thing in this costume. I really loved it. I really enjoy doing bobbin lace. It's something that is really relaxing. It's something really cool. You can do that while watching a movie. You don't really need to think about it, so it's really relaxing. The crown. Oh, I love the crown. The crown is nice. Unfortunately, on the picture that I took, you can't really see the details. It looks like it's plain foam, but it's not. I mean, you saw it. I put some details on it with aluminum foil, and I painted it as well. The crown, I will still need to add some rubber band because it doesn't stay well enough on my head. It moves a little bit too much. It moves and I hate it. I always want to put it back and I think about it all the time, so I want to secure it more on my head. Then we have the heart. Oh, the heart. So anatomically wrong. It is not a human heart at all, but it does look like a heart. I am not good at sculpting. I am definitely not good at painting, but I did enjoy the process very, very much. And I want to do it more often. I want to develop these skills because I think they will be very important, and not necessarily for costumes, just like to make cute stuff. So I was thinking maybe to take 1 or 2 days per month to do something small. I have several ideas already. Start in the morning, finish it in the evening. Something nice and cute. As for other costume, working again with foam was a joy. I really liked it, and that gave me some ideas for the next costume. I still want to work on the dragon dress. It's a costume that I've been thinking about for years. It is time I finally make it. I will be working with foam, I will be working with fabric, and that's probably it for that one. But I had a cyberpunk ID. I have red and black leather that I bought to make the Harley Quinn cosplay. I changed my mind about that cosplay because after Catwoman, I realized that cosplay was not really my thing. I prefer to make original costumes. So I have in mind that cyberpunk character that I want to develop. And with her and with the sewing, I want to make more props. I want a mask and I want a weapon. And I don't know exactly what yet, probably a gun. I also found a really nice pattern of an axe with a saw, something pretty cool. And I want to add LED lights on the weapon, maybe on the mask as well if I can. So this is something that I will have to learn. I have never worked with LED lights, but I think it is something pretty cool to add to some of the costumes. So if you want to see that, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. As for the vampire costume, the photo shoot will take place at the end of the month. I will be posting the pictures on my Instagram and Facebook account. So if you want to see them, follow me there as well. The links to my accounts are in the description below. And I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!